G'day guys, Matti here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're out here at Coomera today, helping a customer out with some block drains on their sewer. So we'll go through, show you exactly what's going on and the end result. Alright guys, so the drains are clear. We've checked them with the camera. Last but not least, we run a test. As you can see, we're just running the shower at the moment. And that's the type of flow we want to see. Another drain clean. Give us a call if you have any slow drains or suspect you have a blockage. Have a good day.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.